Welcome everybody. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. Okay, we want to look at 3 words today. Yeah, we need to look at 3 little words, 3 small words. On, in, at. Okay, we use on for days of the week. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. So we say, on Monday, I play football with my friends. Or, on Wednesday, I study mathematics at school. Or, on Saturday, I don't work. Yeah? On Saturday, I don't work. On Sunday, I don't work. Okay, so on plus day. April the 1st, the 1st of April, the first day of April is a day. So we say on April the 1st. We say on April the 2nd, on April the 20th, on the 25th of December, on the 2nd of January, on the 10th of February. It's one day. April the 1st, the 2nd of January, one day. So we say on April the 1st, on the 2nd of January. And my birthday, my birthday, the day I was born, the day I was born 43 years ago, is my birthday, my birthday. And so we say on my birthday, I will have a party. I will see my friends. So on Monday, on Tuesday, on April the 1st, on the 2nd of January, on my birthday. Because these are all day. They are one day. Okay, but we say in with months. In January, in February, in March, in April, in May, in June, in July, in August, in September, in October, in November, in December. And we say in with years. In 2001, in 2002, in 2003. So maybe in 2001, I finished university. In 2001, I finished university. Or in 1986, I started school. I started school. But in, if it's year, in, so now is 2022. In 2022, you started learning English. Okay, in summer, seasons within. In summer, in winter, in spring, in autumn. Okay, in summer it is very hot. In winter it is very cold. In autumn the leaves fall off the trees, and in spring the flowers come out, so they all look pretty. My garden looks pretty, beautiful. In spring. Okay, and we also say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, the morning, the afternoon, the evening, make sure you have the. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So, in the morning, I wake up. In the afternoon, I work. In the evening, I read a book. I read a book. Okay, so that's on. That's in. At. We use at for the time. At 3 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 12 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, I teach a student. At 12 o'clock, I play football. At 1 o'clock, I go to sleep. I go to bed. At 3:30. Remember, 3:30 is 3:30. And we say at 3:30. So at 3:30, I teach a student. At 3:45. Remember, quarter to 4 means 3:45. Quarter to 4, 3:45. So, children finish school at 3:45, at 3:45. Okay? At 5:15. This means quarter, 15 minutes. Quarter is 15 minutes. Half is 30 minutes. But quarter is 15 minutes after. Past means after. 5. So 5:15. Yeah, at 5:15 I have dinner. Okay? At 5:15 I have dinner. At night I go to sleep. I go to bed. Yeah, at night, we say at night. Remember, at night, but in the morning. In